How to uninstall Minimalist Phone app. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall Minimalist Phone app on your mobile device. So first, if you have already set your Minimalist Phone app into one of your default apps, then you won't be able to automatically uninstall this. Go into your phone settings, locate the magnifying glass or the search feature and type in default. And then choose this option here that says choose default apps. Scroll down and then choose default apps once again, and then from here you just need to locate this application here that says home app or your launcher option. Now once you have set up your minimalist phone app as your default, you just simply change the default home application of your mobile device first so you can completely uninstall this. Once you have changed your launcher option, and that's going to be the time where you can uninstall the application by going into apps, and then in here locate the minimalist phone app, and you can uninstall them. And that is how you uninstall minimalist phone app.